Hey, let's learn JavaScript Proxy for advanced object manipulation today. This is a powerful JavaScript concept. We create an async function called fetchData. We wrap our code in a try block. We use fetch to make the API call. Then we pass the response as JSON. We return the data to the caller. If something fails, we catch the error. We log the error for debugging and return null on failure. That closes our function. Now let's create a proxy for our function. We use the proxy constructor. This trap intercepts function calls. We log the URL being called. Then we call the original function. This trap intercepts property access. We log which property is accessed. Then we return the property value. That completes our proxy definition. Now let's see how to use it. We call fetchData proxy with our API URL and log the result. Proxies let us intercept and modify behavior. Great for logging, validation, and more. Try creating your own proxy traps. That is JavaScript Proxy for advanced object manipulation. Practice this pattern.